Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet and number. Blue, purple, yellow, pink, green, orange. Alphabet A. Say with me. A. B. Say with me. B. C. Say with me. C. D. Say with me. D. E. Say with me. E. F. Say with me. F. G. Say with me. G. H. Say with me. H. I. Say with me. I. J. Say with me. J. K. Say with me. K. L. Say with me. L. M. Say with me. M. N. Say with me. N. O. Say with me. O. P. Say with me. P. Q. Say with me. Q. R. Say with me. R. S. Say with me. S. T. Say with me. T. U. Say with me. U. V. Stay with me. V. W. Say with me. W. X. Say with me. X. Y. Say with me. Y. Z. Say with me. Z. Number 1. Say with me. 1. 2. Say with me. 2. 3. Say with me. 3. 4. Say with me. 4. 5. Say with me. 5. 6. Say with me. 6. 7. Say with me. 7. 8. Say with me. 8. 9. Say with me. 9. 10. Say with me. 10. 11. Say with me. 11. 12. Say with me. 12. 13. Say with me. 13. 14. Say with me. 14. 15. Say with me. 15. Subscribe for more videos.